Somebody needs to stay away from doing anything with spark plugs and maybe even other tools too. But newer plug, but this one was number 6 and it wasn't firing. Didn't have the spark plug wire all the way on the plug. We're switching 4 and 6. 4 was firing. Somebody did a compression test, or they wrote some numbers on there pretending to do a compression test. Who knows how long ago that was. I think there's one misfiring on the other side there. You notice number 7, that boot's way off and at an angle. We're pulling that one next and checking it out. Kind of looks like newer wires, but that doesn't mean they're any good. Doesn't mean the spark plugs are any good either these days.